I hope you feel good watching this. You don't feel like your tongue is literally the main thing that's keeping you from happiness. I can't breathe.
What do you think about this? God, look at these things. They're scary. They look like Satan's test.
You idiot!
Hey, Mike.
Yeah.
Come up here.
Oh, hopefully my truck's ready.
Don't be whispering.
Whisper. So hopefully.
Ethan, what do you think about this?
Haven't had a nice explosively fiery in a while, so.
We gotta cut it up,
Nathan, show the camera.
We got the pepper of death right here. Oh, dude.
Hey, Ethan, how are you feeling about this right
Great,
now?
man. I'm excited. Been looking forward to this for a while. I love Carolina Reapers. I eat them all the time.
What meal?
It got my eyes.
What
a
meal?
little bit of it got my eyes.
Ethan, how are you feeling about today?
Oh man, I've been looking forward to this for so long, but now I'm starting to regret it actually. I took a little lick of it. I can't imagine.
It was his idea.
It was my idea.
It was all his idea.
Jacob, how are you feeling?
Not good. Scared shitless.
I was actually kind of shaking a little bit earlier. You know, just look at that. It's so deadly. This isn't even natural.
John, how are you feeling right now?
I feel great. My stomach's kind of hurting from the hot food I ate yesterday.
Do you have to poop right now?
Yeah, I do have to poop.
Sean should explain to the camera.
Did you do that, Nathan?
Okay, so we're doing a little couple rules right here. First, put the salt and pepper in our mouth, chew as much as we can, we swallow. And we're trying to, everyone should at least go a minute without eating any ice cream. We made that deal. I don't know if everybody's gonna do it. And after that, whoever survives the longest wins.
3, 2, 1, go.
I want to swallow it, dude.
I swallowed it.
Oh, God.
To my nose.
Yeah.
It's been a minute.
Loser.
The left side of my throat, I kept it on the left side.
Yeah, me too.
Guys, I'm fine.
I need some more ice cream.
Nathan died.
Every time.
Breathe. I keep
My
wanting to
lips
breathe.
Swallow the ice cream, it comes straight back.
My lips
I know.
burning.
I'm not eating ice cream anymore. It makes it fuck.
I think I'm about to like I'm not able to like see straight.
I'm lightheaded. I can't even.
Eat some ice cream, Jake.
I'm just gonna get out of this thing right here.
There's a hotel right there.
How you feeling, man?
Oh God, hey man. What's up?
Not much. What are you doing?
Just napping. Hey Nathan.